So myself Kaml started. First of all, ma'am, good afternoon. Myself Kaml started. Group members Neil, Rutuja, and Amrita. Yes, ma'am, I'm starting. My group members are Swapnil. We are preparing our project through blockchain. That is on. We are developing a secure wallet architecture using blockchain features. In our project, basically, we are trying to overcome the problem of cashless. We are trying to do develop a environment that is cashless. In banking, in introduction, in banking and technology, that we are associated with innovation and banking is also changing drastically. Now money is not done through cash. It's done is it is most and we and blockchain is also very developing technology, which is much more helping in banking sector that helps to develop a cashless environment. In blockchain, it is basically blockchain is a shared means distributed ledger which stores business transaction to the permanent unbreakable chain. Blockchain technology has got the potential to disrupt the financial business application as it provide permanent and tamper-proof recording of transaction. It means in blockchain, if we have to change one transaction, we have to change all the transactions that are stored in different different databases. It because with help of that we can prove we cannot be tempered. uh, it is basically can be widely applied in like digital currency, trade finance, cross border, and although potential of blockchain is enormous, it is various limitation of security, privacy, and scalability which need to be addressed. The basically motivation of the our project was that as we know that many banks have gone corrupt due to their mismanagement of the mismanagement of the record. For example, Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank and also Central Bank of India, United Bank of India that are facing the financial problems, and the means customers have lost their money because of that. Uh, Again, aim of the project is to basically to develop Android-based wallet of e-secure mobile money using blockchain technology using JSP and serverlet. In our project, we are ASC, that is encryption standard, which is used to implement the inscription means inscription algorithm. It is basically instruction encryption algorithm. Third one means we are going to implement a SHA, that is secure hash algorithm. It is we are going to implement that, and we are also using Java and serverlet. Basically, the problem statement of the problem is we are going to develop an Android for secure mobile money using technology using JSP and serverlet technology. This is our literature survey, ma'am. This is our literature survey that we scope of our project is to basically we are developing an Android and web application which will communicate through VLAN and will continue following models that are as I told that we are going to use Android advanced inscriptions means algorithm, again hash algorithm. Then our preferred technologies are that we are going to Java and MySQL for database. Java for backend, and for database we are going to use MySQL. This is our system architecture. User can in and add the user and add the user, so he can directly contact to the bank, and then he can basically add his money to the account. This is our system architecture, and when all the users have been been their ID, it is in a different databases 3 hash 4. Means if we have to change hash 4, we have to first of all change hash 3, then hash 2, and these are basically our databases. In this we are in this project we are going to basically that if one person wants to send money to a second person, following things will happen. Every database will be updated. Once someone transfers the money, then transaction info will be stored on permanent. Then after takes place, can check the data format that it is updated or not. So it is much transparent and secure. For purpose we are using databases that we have developed MySQL. Our model is going to be a admin module, bank module, and user module. In user module, it will be a admin and view users model. Bank can add users. It can also add bank account. It can also add amount. Means it can also amount. The third one is a role of app that we have developed, which will have his beneficiary number, what his transaction made. Basically, hash algorithm is nothing but a hash function, which is of a 256, which has length of 256 bytes. It is keyless hash. In that we use a AMDC, that is manipulation detection code. A message is processed by blocks of 5 and 12, that is 16 into 32 bits, which each block requires 64 rounds. It is a cryptographic hash. It is a kind of signature or a text. And to derive that, first step is that to derive the set of round of keys, the cipher key will be used. Then the initializers of the array it will be done to the block data. Then we have to add an initial round key to the state array. After that, performing 9 rounds of the state manipulation, then it will do the 10th and final round of the state of manipulation. The final copy of the array will be stored in encrypted format. In inscription process, we will use a derived keys called round keys. These are applied along with the other operations on a array data that holds exactly one block of data. The data to be that is going to be encrypted. This is our data flow diagram. Basically, it will work on a customer classless system and trust authority. When it will do authentication, request information, he can edit things, and also the trust authority. Trust authority, it can also close account, open account, manage the customer, and view his information also. Then this is our data flow diagram of our customer that will be doing with the cashless system. In blockchain process, he will log in transaction, his authentication process will be done, transaction process will be done. If there is an inquiry or any something, he can do that. This is our UML diagram. It is nothing but architecture of how the system is going to be work. This is our activity diagram, and it is also sequence diagram. It is nothing we are going to develop that we have presented here. Yeah, application in our application it will include it will be applicable in banking sector, government sector, agriculture sector, with any sector that requires financial needs. So our application can be implemented in that sector. So this is how I will conclude, and that our project is going to be very helpful for the everyone. It can help to be the uh, go cashless, It can be implemented with the help of blockchain. Thank you, sir. Here I conclude my presentation.